Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making Origami Santa. To create this model, I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and keeping the white side on the top. I'll be starting with the cross crease. Now keep the color side on the top and bring this tip to this point and make a crease. Open the flap and fold this portion into half. Open the flap and fold this portion into half. And finally fold this portion into half. Now rotate the paper and repeat the same thing on the opposite side also. Fold the entire model into half. Bring this tip to this point and make a crease. Now lift single flap and fold it down as shown. Take a small portion around 0.5 mm and fold it like this. Fold down the another flap by leaving 1 cm gap here and make a crease. Now fold back the triangle by leaving the space to draw Santa's face here. Lift the flap and fold this extra triangle to the back side. Now fold this flap as shown. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Lift this flap and bring this side to the top and make a crease. This will create the Santa's hands. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Now fold in this triangle on both sides. Turn the model and bring the sides to the center crease. Here, bring out the hands as demonstrated. By pulling the flaps to the sidewards. To create Santa's feet, fold from this point towards outside. This is a pre-creasing, then you can open it and do the inside reverse fold for the neat finish. You can draw the features. Origami Santa is ready. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.